It's his stun time. Yeah.
Goes back to respawn. Oh, really?
Why does he just get stunned? Hey, Wes from the SDNC.
Hi.
He just tripped. He just rolled a 1 in footwork. D&D jokes.
I mean, hey, can I be on camera again? You got hit again? Look at this.
This is Raven Fire. It's amazing.
How nice it sounds.
I should do a loadout video on its beautifulness.
I just need that clip for later. He's stunned. We should do loadout videos.
I know, I should do some for the channel. Because otherwise I do nothing for the I just put battle videos. I gotta put something else on the channel. Can't shoot when you're stunned.
I got you.
You hit me?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, you hit me? 3, 2, 1, begin!
Daniel, you better move before you die instantly.
Got a question. Are you Soviet Union?
No.
Long live whatever it is. Democracy.
He told you to move.
Oh, they got me like that.
I wasn't even trying to get
The only thing I really worry about is
No, it's not no 15 seconds.
Yeah, it was.
He actually got him. Good. He's wasting ammo.
James got hit. No, you're still in. You got hit by a tree bullet.
Oh, okay.
It landed in the tree and fell on you.
It was vibrating my camera. Reload.
Team up.
Did you get him?
Yeah. Did you get James?
No, I missed.
You shot me in the leg. You shot me in my arm. Thank you.
Oh, that was terrible. Oh, the dart head flew off.
Dart head fly out.
Too late.
Cover me, I'm reload. I had to clear a jam.
I can't predict these wild trajectories.
You saw that.
Got ya. No.
You got caught.
Yeah, you got him, bruh. Watch out, he's coming behind us.
I've got full stick still.
Oh, okay. Got a little less than that. He's coming behind us. I can hear him. Got you in the knee.
You missed.
No, I got you in the knee.
Yeah.
You didn't.
Yeah, you did. You're dead. That's all 4 lives. Ah! 1, 2, 3, 4. I know. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
I'm a medic. Look out. Oh, you did it. Oh, you did it.
Almost went up
One
his
life.
sleeve.
Fucking look, Daniel.
Is he still alive? Is he still alive? Wes, how much ammo do you have?
Charges $8 for a bottle of water. Yeah, that's why I went Disneyland. Also, Disneyland's very overrated. Walt Disney, but I was like,
Wes,
pissed in that bottle or something. Like,
I got 3 shots left.
just terrify him.
tastes weird.
Give it to me, Jacob. Throw it over here. Jacob, throw it over here.
Sniping through the tree.
I can't.
That thing will go through a tree. Ah! Wes!
Got you?
Yeah, he got me through the tree.